Alrighty. Yeah.
And this is the vending machine right there, real little. This is right there, the Coke machine right down there.
Yep.
Oh, now we have a Coke machine. Now we have a new machine. That's a rub enders. Oh good, we got smart waters, very healthy. Always drink healthy water, we exercise. This is peach tea, it's got cane sugar. That's much better than soda. It's got cane sugar. We mix it with we have to exercise, we drink healthy iced tea, peach tea. That's sweet tea, that's 190. That's got better than soda. That's really 190. This is better than 240. Same as like that, it's Coke. It's way better. Now this is 100. This is Vital Water. This is better than Fuse iced tea. It's got 140. It's got high fructose corn syrup. Fuse. We don't get that. The Vital Water, this is better. This is dragon fruit. This is blueberry. Vital Water. This is strawberry kiwi. This is yellow Vital Water. This is much better. Okay. Coke, we're gonna have water. We exercise. That's what makes it half water. We have to exercise with Coke, makes it half water. That's half water is good, makes it half water. Okay. Oh, that's $4. Okay. Now, nope, that's face down. We're only gonna face up. That's supposed to look like the picture. That's have to face up like that. Okay. Iced tea, that's 27. Good, it's much better than soda. Good, that's really healthy. Alright, there's no change. Alright, we're gonna go get pretzel.
We're gonna get pretzels.
We're all done.
Okay.